You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah.
What happened to me today? Nope. Hey darlings, how are you all doing today? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, as you guys already know. If you don't already know my schedule for my YouTube, Tuesdays are for makeup tutorial, anything relating to beauty. And then Thursdays are for business related videos. I'll be taking you guys behind the scene of running my small business or my business. I need to stop calling it my small business because we're projecting that we're going to be big someday. So saying big small business is just restricting myself. And then on Saturdays, we're going to be doing vlogs, lifestyle content and whatnot. So today's Tuesday. That's where you're watching the beauty tutorial. I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I've had this color in my head for the longest time, but I just haven't had the time. And mostly because I'm always scared of this particular color. It's green. I hate green, but we're going to try to make it work, you know. So let's get started. And the palette I'm going to be using throughout today's tutorial is this James Charles's palette. And it has like a really nice army color right there. This green color. These two at the bottom, and then this will be on my lid, and maybe like a very bright neon color on my tear duct, and something on my lower lash line, waterline, and then something on my tear duct, and we'll just call it a day. I'm thinking of adding glitters and maybe feathering it up, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my brows, do one eye, just so that I'm sure of exactly what I want to teach you guys, and I'm not teaching you guys rubbish. So hang on, okay? The next clip you're going to see is me doing the other eye, because this is my good side. So this will be the part that I'll film, and then this I'll do off camera. So stick around. So this is the first eye. I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and replicate the same thing to the other eye. The first thing I did was to use my base, the P. Louise base. I'm going to use my James Charles's palette. And the colors I'm going to be playing around with are this green, this one, and this one. So I'm going to go with the lighter green of all the three that I showed you guys. And I'm just gonna, in circular motions, just blend it on there. Oof, can you see? I really like this palette. I wish I bought the big size. Well, let's finish this one first. So I'm just taking black and I'm just using it to darken the crease. So I'm just going to take yellow again and just ever so lightly as the outer corners. So there's this trick I learned on TikTok where you use Vaseline to cut your crease. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Just dip it in like so. So I'm just going to use this to clean it actually. So it makes it easier actually. So next I'm going to be using my P. Louise to just kind of like define and create the base for my eyelid color. So where we cleaned, I'm just going to basically just be applying that. So I'm going to be using this army green shimmery color here.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah.
So I'm just going to still use black just to create more depth. It doesn't really matter, Sha, because we're going to go ahead and use black eye. And oh, by the way, the lip gloss I have on is my MVP Clear Rose lip gloss. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Carriot black eyeshadow, black gel liner.
This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me. I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby oh. His body baby oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah.